Hey, Laurie-Ann, it's Jeremy DeMerchant. I run a consulting company called Permission to Sell Consulting Group and a CRM and marketing platform called SalesEdge.io. My question in regards to speaking is I've been asked to come back as a speaker to an association that I spoke with a couple years ago. My core topic is on sales, and they've asked if there's any other topics that I speak on. Now, typically, most of my topics are in and around sales, but I'm happy to branch out if it's going to help the audience. And if there's a way that I can loop it back into what my core businesses are, that would be great. So any advice that you have on taking an opportunity like this and not just saying, sorry, I only stay in this lane would be appreciated. Thanks so much.
Hey, Jeremy, thank you very much for your question. This reminds me of a time that I got hired to speak for a chamber event. And because I was referred to them, I just assumed that they understood exactly what my topics were. And after I agreed to speak for them, they said, great, we want you to speak about life balance. And I was just left there like, oh, shoot. So I realized that I had said yes, and because self-integrity is one of my highest values, I was going to show up and still do this. So there was a way that I tied in their desire for life balance, and I tied it into leadership because I wanted the audience to know that I was a speaker on leadership and not life balance. And I was able to do it really well. So in this particular situation where they are asking you, what other topics do you speak on? Under your sales and automation, there are a number of different subtopics that you can be speaking on. Literally, the psychology of sales. Let's understand our customers better. Sales mindset, sales performance. I'm thinking more like personal development. How do you need to show up and have confidence? There are lots of different subtopics that I think fall under sales and automation for you. So think outside the box a little bit, but again, still trying to stay in your umbrella, if you will. Here's my sales umbrella, and these are all the different topics that I speak on or can speak on comfortably underneath this sales topic, and then let them decide. But another key question to be asking them is, when they tell you what it is that they feel that they want more of, ask them, what do you feel is the problem that's in the organization or in the company or in the performance that makes you believe that this is what's going to solve this problem? Let's hear it from them, because maybe they are just kind of glossing over an issue, and this will give you a chance to really dive deeper into asking better questions of the person who is trying to bring you in. Because in the end, you're going to be solving their problem. The most important thing is that you help them get from point A to point B. Even if they think they need to take pathway A and you know better, it's pathway C that's actually going to get them there faster. So remember, you are the expert, and a meeting planner, a conference organizer, whoever is hiring you, like they are looking at you as the expert, like share with us what's the best thing that we need here. So thank you very much for that question. I know that it helped a lot of people. And if you have a question that you would like answered on the show, feel free to go to speakpipe.com/BID. That is SPEAKPIPE. That link will be down below, speakpipe.com. And you can ask your question and you will hear your question on a future Q&A episode. So until next time, be in demand. Are you ready to leverage speaking as your best form of marketing? There are over 7,500 events looking for speakers every single day. Speaking positions you as the expert in the room, but you probably don't know where to start. So I created this great resource called the Directory of Places to Speak. This resource will help you get started today. So head on over to speakandstandout.com/directory to grab your free copy now. Don't miss this opportunity to be the expert speaking to audiences filled with your ideal clients.